I have no more babies in the single digits, and I don't know if my heart can take it. Like, I'm not ready. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Cherie Lynette, and today we are talking about everything Ariana's birthday party. I'm going to show you guys how we got everything set up and ready for her party for her to turn 10. It's crazy, she's 10. I had surgery a few weeks ago for my endometriosis, and I'm still not cleared from the doctor yet, which I'm like going crazy. I can't lift anything heavy, I can't sweep, I can't vacuum, I can't really do anything that's going to like make my abdomen any like activity in that area. So thankfully my mom, my sister, my niece, they all came over to help me get everything set up. Just to make sure I wasn't doing or lifting anything that I wasn't supposed to do. It's crazy because sometimes like I feel so good since my surgery that I forget that I'm not supposed to be doing certain things. So I need people there to be like, put that down. I'm so excited to show y'all how we set up for her slumber party. It's just her and her two cousins. We wanted to do something small and then take them out for pedicures and Ari's favorite dinner. And so let me show you all what we did. So the first thing I did was have my niece bring everything from downstairs upstairs into the classroom. I started buying supplies and everything from the sleepover like a couple of weeks ago and just was building everything up. And everything I ordered, I either bought from Amazon or I went to Five Below and found it. So we wanted to get started with the tents first. And this is the reason why I set up in the classroom and not her room, just because it's bigger and I knew they'd have more space to like move around and play. And there's a TV in there. So it just felt like a better fit than trying to set up in her bedroom. Now I'm gonna link everything that I bought in my Amazon store, but just to let you know, these tents do not come with any type of directions at all. At first we were a little confused, but after playing around with it a little bit, like you can see, it's not hard. There's slots to slide the poles in. Just trying to get them into the slots at first can be like a little bit of work. But so this was my first attempt at putting my tent together. And y'all, I just wasn't paying attention. I had slid the poles through the window. My niece is just standing there laughing at me because I was a hot mess. Y'all, by this point, I was so tired. It's no wonder I was making mistakes. Like I had been working all day. I still get tired super fast. And so Greg brought me some coffee to help me power through. It's like 6 in the evening at this point, and I just needed to make it through the night. The tents are coming together now. They're looking so cute. We just had to secure the top. There's a string that you have to like thread through this hole and wrap it around to secure it. So just a little tip, we used bobby pins to help guide the string through the holes because it was really hard just trying to push it through on its own. So once we got the tents up, we were supposed to start blowing up the air mattresses, but I could not find my little like inflator machine thing, whatever it's called. And I'm telling you, why is it that you see stuff all the time until you need it? Like I just saw this thing somewhere and I cannot find it. So Greg just went to the store to buy another one and we just started working on the decorations in this little kit that I bought. As soon as Greg got back, we started blowing up the air mattresses. I thought these mattresses were so cool. They were only like 16 bucks. And they're bigger than like a crib mattress, but they're smaller than a twin size. So the only thing was like, I could not find like sheets made for it. So I bought twin size sheets. So if y'all know like special sheets, let me know. But other than that, like I thought this was just cool because even after the slumber party, anytime the girls spend the night or we have family come and visit, we'll have these just like extra air mattresses for the kids. And finally, it was time for the really fun part, which was getting their beds all set up and decorated. Like I said, I bought twin size sheets, which are way too big for this mattress, but I just wrapped it on there and like tucked it underneath to make it look like nice and smooth. At this point, I am so tired, but I'm so excited to see it all coming together. It looks so cute. And we're just putting on the finishing touches. We're adding the blankets and the pillows and then all the little goodies I bought for them. And this was our final result. It came out so cute. I got all the girls these cute little non-toxic makeup kits from Amazon. It's not easy to find non-toxic makeup for kids, so I was excited to find this. I thought it was so cute and it gives them their cute little like take-home gift too. Got these cat ears for them. You can find these just about anywhere. This light up butterfly mirror I got from Five Below. You want to get it from there because they're way more expensive on Amazon. I got this tray from Dollar Tree just to set everything up on. And then this blanket here is from Five Below. I told y'all I got everything from Five Below or Dollar Tree except for this tray. I got this pillow from Five Below also. I thought these were so stinking cute. And then the sheets I just ordered from Amazon. The tent itself is from Amazon. It came in a pack of 3 and it included these cute little lights. So overall, I'd say our slumber party setup was a success, and best of all, the girls loved it so much and had so much fun. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you and see you next time.